Today I'm going to show you the fastest, most hassle-free way to move all your photos from Google Photos straight into OneDrive. No downloading or uploading required at all. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to use Google's automated transfer tool to safely and efficiently move your memories, even if you have a massive photo collection. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Google Takeout website. Think of Google Takeout as Google's official packing service. It gathers your data, boxes it up, and either sends it where you want or lets you pick it up. I'll put the link down in the description for you, but a quick search for Google Takeout will bring it right up. Once you're there, you'll see that Takeout is ready to collect almost everything Google knows about you. But today we're only interested in your photos. So right at the top, click Deselect All. This is important, otherwise you might end up exporting way more data than you need, like emails or Drive files, which can take much longer and use up unnecessary space. Go ahead and scroll down the list until you see Google Photos and tick that box. Take your time here to make sure only what you want moved ends up selected. If you have multiple photo folders, you can even choose specific albums, but usually just keeping everything checked is simplest. With your selection made, scroll down and hit Next Step. Now comes the part where we tell Google where to deliver your photos. Under Destination, open the dropdown and select Add to OneDrive. Google Takeout supports a few different cloud services, but since we're moving to OneDrive, that's the one we want. This is what makes the process automated and cloud to cloud. Nothing has to move through your home Wi-Fi or eat up your bandwidth. When you click Link Accounts and Create Export, Google will ask you to sign into your Microsoft account. This is the OneDrive account where your photos will land. If you're not already logged into Microsoft, it might ask for your credentials. Once you're in, you'll need to give Google permission to deposit your files into your OneDrive. Don't worry, this is a one-time, secure handshake so the two services can talk to each other. You can always revoke access later. After you authorize everything, Google will start preparing your export. If you have a huge photo library, this part might take some time, anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, depending on how many photos and videos you've collected over the years. You'll get an email from Google once it's all finished, so you don't need to keep this window open or leave your computer running. That's the beauty of cloud-to-cloud transfers. When it's all done, open up your OneDrive and you'll find a new folder called Google Download Your Data. All your photos from Google Photos will be neatly inside, organized and ready to access. It's a great idea to poke around in that folder, maybe spot check a few albums just to make sure everything looks right. If you notice anything amiss, double-check Takeout and try again, but in almost every case, all your memories make the move perfectly. And that's it, your photos are now safely in your OneDrive without any messy downloads or long upload sessions. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into trouble, leave a comment below. I always try to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.